Alright, to upload your SAFRING data, you need to click onto the data upload page.
After logging in.
After logging in, of course. Once here, there are many instructions as to how to upload your data, but people have been having a lot of trouble with it, so thus we're making this short video. According to the instructions, you need to have your file prepped first, and there are instructions on here. The first one being, most importantly, the date format that a lot of people have been having trouble with. And if you'll see my format over here, it should be year dash month dash day. But for Excel to actually recognize it as a date, if you click actually on there and notice in the FX bar, you'll notice that it's actually slashes. That's how it should be typed in. But once it's displayed here, to get it to display correctly, right click, format cells. Once you get this page, which is the same for most Excel types, click on the side menu date and click on the correct format that we require, being the year dash month dash day. Once that is done, it will display correctly. Alright, next thing to look at, according to the web page, is the saving format. So what it needs to do, it needs to be saved in an older Excel format, and to do this, let me show you what I mean. Normally you click, okay, let me not use shortcuts rather. Right click save as, and when you're about to save your file, it should be 97 to 2003 XLX format. None of the others, which is the normal one, or any of the others. This one specifically, 97 to 2003. That's the file type, and that way the website will know exactly what to do with the file. So let's say that's long. Yeah, right. Okay, cancel that for now. Alright, next thing, according to the instructions, would be the malt, which a lot of people have been in trouble with too.
Well, you're going to do the page.
I was going back and forth.
Okay. Malt.
And in my dummy file that I have here, the malt values are incorrect. As in, they look fine, but when you actually click on them, they have an apostrophe in there, which messes with the SQL format, SQL code, so it causes lots of problems and it doesn't get uploaded correctly and causes all sorts of things. The way to correct it, the instructions are on the web page, but here's a quick instruction. Copy the whole file or the whole column, and then navigate to a different sheet or a different Excel worksheet. So I'm going to click onto a new sheet over here. Once there, right click on the empty space and go with paste value, paste special. Little box pops up, and the only thing you need to change in here is click values. Once you click values, hit OK, and then you'll notice once you click onto them that the apostrophe is now gone. So highlight this again and copy the new version, go back and paste it in place of the old malt values.
To show that it's gone again?
Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, the apostrophe is now gone. Then the next thing to know is the headings, and then we need to get this especially right. This is the list of required headings. If you cannot read it, please go to the web page and see them properly. But they need to be spelled correctly. As in exact, if they're not spelled correctly, the server doesn't know where to put them into which column, and it can get confusing and also cause problems and cause your data to not be uploaded correctly. So the list of names are there, but as you can see, ring code, date, species, all need to be spelled correctly. Once that is done, and then we are ready to upload the page. That's most of the areas. Let me just do the same thing quickly. Alright, back to the upload page. So click choose file, and an Explorer box should open when it actually decides to. Once this, navigate to and select the file that you want to upload. Please note that there is a sheet number which selects which sheet within the file gets uploaded. The standard number there is 4, and the reason for that is because With the standard Excel sheet that was always given out to people, it has different sheets: introduction, methods, species, lookups, rings. Now the way the server looks at these sheets is, this one is 0, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's only on 4 as a default. But if you put your data on the first sheet without any of this on, please select 0. Once again, the instructions are on the web sheet. In this case, we'll leave it at 4. And then you just click submit. And upon taking its time, it will actually upload the data.
It will take a while because it's checking every record if it was issued to you, and then checking for other problems.
As you can see, all my records have been uploaded.
If you see that, then you know that it's done correctly.
And navigate to click here for a summary of your records. Here we go. All 12 very fake records. Thank you.